Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. 1, 2, 3, start. Honorable members, be it the country's fastest train, the highest bridge, the longest sea link, the longest tunnel, construction of highways at double the speed or gauge, conversion of railway tracks, modern facelift of railway stations or metro projects in cities, air connectivity among small towns or construction of new waterways. My government is rapidly developing modern infrastructure in all these areas, keeping environment conservation in mind. My government is moving forward on the electric mobility front in order to make the longest technology based systems available in our cities so that they can become growth engines of the economy. Modern facilities are being developed in 100 cities under the smart city mission. The nation is moving at a fast pace in the civil aviation sector also. This sector has been a double digit growth during the last 4 years. More than 12 crore and 30 lakh people traveled by air during 2017-18, and this number is increasing constantly. This transformation offers a glimpse of an India on the move. Under the Udhan scheme, 12 lakh seats have been made available to people at lower tariffs. This has provided the common person with an opportunity of air travel. In addition, in the last 4.5 years, government has established more than new passport seva kendras in the country. Prior to 2014, there were 77 passport seva kendras, which have now increased to more than 400. People are no longer required to repeatedly visit big cities for getting their passports. In the all-round development of the country, a pivotal role is played by our laborer brothers and sisters, small and medium entrepreneurs, engineers, auditors, doctors, teachers, scientists, and every professional. All these responsible citizens have lived up to this saying of Saint Ravidas that work is the best form of worship. That is, those who deem work as good and worship it day and night are blessed with all the worldly joys and contentment. Our hardworking professionals, whether linked directly or indirectly with the government, are watchful of the process of nation building. When their hopes and aspirations are combined with the willpower of government employees. The result is unprecedented as witnessed by the nation today. My government is also supporting the employees in their hour of need as such. My government has worked continuously to strengthen the spirit of cooperative federalism enshrined in the Constitution. It has been the endeavor of the government to enable the state governments to undertake development work in their respective states in a more effective manner. In line with this objective, my government took the decision to provide the states with 10% additional share in the taxes as per the recommendations of the Finance Commission. At this stage, the whole world is talking about Kumbh underway at Prayagraj. For this colossal event, world-class infrastructure and other facilities on a permanent basis have been developed at a fast pace. The confluence of Ganga Yamuna is setting an impressive example of cleanliness and modern management. Ganga is not just a river for us, but is like a mother to us, a living symbol of our culture and faith. To keep Ganga clean is our sacred duty. Under the projects worth rupees 25,000 crore have been approved so far. My government is engaged with the task of cleaning up of the river Ganga by diverting dozen of major drains, stopping flow of industrial effluents, and by setting up several sewage treatment plants in the cities. Honorable members, every citizen and the government are duty bound to honor the contribution of national heroes, carrying forward the tradition of honoring the builders of modern India. My government has dedicated to the nation the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial at Dandi on the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Thank you.